I'm hungry. All right, we're back. So we have our chicken breasts, and we're going to be cutting it up into pieces for the skewers. And yeah, we're just going to do that right now. All right, we're back, and now we're just gonna put the chickens in the skewers. I have some tomatoes and some onions here that I'm gonna put on the barbecue as well. So this way we can all cook together. All right, we're back, and the barbecue is done. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to start building my sandwich here. So a little bit of the barbecue sauce we made. Again, I like my spinach. A little bit of spinach on there. Let's cover this up so it doesn't spill. All right, so I'm gonna grab this one. Okay, and some of the tomatoes we had on there as well, and a little bit of the onions. Nice and cooked and hot. That's so. And we're ready to go.